In this video, I installed the pattern selector, the Bight amplitude lever, and the cam stack. So in this next move of installing the Bight amplitude lever on the pattern selector, as mentioned previously, that will only fit through the back of the frame, the back of the main frame. You can't put that device on by putting it through there. It won't fit. So this pattern selector has to go on first, and it goes on that post right there. And it's really easy to put on. You just slide it right on and make sure that the point where you put the Bight amplitude lever is right there. The pattern selector is very simple to install. All you have to do is make sure that that is facing the front of what I would call the front of the machine. From this position, rather, we have an excellent view of where I will attach Bight amplitude lever right there. Here's another view of how I did that. The lever has to go in from the back of the main frame. This nodule there has to be facing up, so it has to go in like that. And then that goes like that. And then it's just a matter of installing the screw. Okay, here we are up top side now, and I have the lever right here. I've slid it through, and there's a little nodule or short stud there, and that settles in there, and then there's the hole for the screw. There we go. And then just as simple to install the cam stack. Here's another view of how I did that. To install the cam stack, as we did before, it is equally as simple. And what I do is I line up the mark, and then I just simply drop it down. This is a very easy install because, as we can see, the stitch selector, arm shaft, and the followers and the indicator pins are not installed. In order to install those, which I will do in the next video or two, I will have to remove the cam stack, but it's equally as simple to remove it. It's just a matter of pulling it up and out. So take care of yourself, and I hope to talk to you again real soon. Stay safe this summer. It's busy out there. Have fun, and we'll talk soon.